How are you everyone? Today we are going to know about the mean for group data. First is direct method. If f1 is the frequency of xi is the mid value of the ith class interval. So arithmetic mean formula is x bar equal f1 x1 plus f2 x2 up to fn xn divided by f1 plus f2 up to fn. So you can write sigma I equal 1 up to n fi xi divided by sigma I equal 1 up to n fi. So its shortcut method is x bar equal a plus total of fi di divided by total of fi, where di equal xi minus a. So first example is for the following data calculate mean using direct method. So this is class interval and this is frequency. So class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20 up to 40 to 50. Here is frequency. This is mid value which comes from by summing them and then dividing them by 2. So it means 0 plus 10 divided by 20 equal 5, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 equal 15, and this is fx which comes from multiplying these two columns. 3 into 5 15, 5 into 15 75, 9 into 35 315. So this, and the total of frequency is 28 while total of fx is 760. Now for mean we divided the total of fx by the total of frequency. So 760 upon 28 equal 27.143, which is our required answer. Now the next topic comes is median. So median for ungrouped data. For this, first we arrange the series in ascending or descending order. So if we have total number of observations equal odd number, then we use this formula md equal n plus 1 by 2 observation, and for even digits md equal n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Our first example is find the median of the following observation where digits are 6 4 3 7 8. So first we arrange in ascending order 3 4 6 7 8. Since number of observation that is 5 is odd, so median would be middle value that is 6. Now calculate median of the following data where we have 6 digits 7 8 9 3 4 10. So first we will arrange them in ascending order 3 4 7 8 9 10 like this, and then number of observations are 6, so we use this second formula md equal n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation upon by 2. So its total number of observation are 6, so third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. So 7 plus 8 divided by 2 equal 15 by 2 equals 7.15, which is the required answer. Thank you.